Well, as a kid, I really liked video games, and I realised someone must be programming them. And so as I grew up, I looked into that. And although eventually I decided to move away from video games, I still really enjoyed that problem-solving aspect of programming and just continued to pursue that. Well, I really enjoy looking at data and finding patterns in them. In my maths degree, I see loads of data, but I rarely ever get to see data actually like this. So seeing it in this really visual way has been really rewarding, especially working and programming with data like this. Right now, I'm working on demo modernization. That involves going through our old demos and bringing the code standards up to the latest JavaScript. At the moment, I'm working on a demo to do with flight paths, which has actually been quite difficult because there were multiple libraries trying to interact with each other. So getting that to work in a robust way has been really difficult, and I had to think about the logic. But now it's working, it's really rewarding. This week, I've been doing some support. That's been really interesting. I've been helping customers, but all of our customers are devs, so a lot of the questions we get are quite detailed and give me a good insight into what our customers are doing with our software. As well as that, I've been working on test. This has been good because I've had a look at how we test our demos, which I've been modernizing, and have given me an insight as to how I should build them. Really well organized. We have sprint boards which keep all of our tasks tracked. I always know what I'm doing and what the rest of the team is doing. Furthermore, the level of responsibility I've had has been great. I really feel like the work I've done is going to be useful and that the customers will actually see it. Really friendly. I work next to a guy called Tom, who's been so helpful. When I arrived, I didn't know any web development, so along with his help and a series of lectures that the dev team put on when I arrived, have really helped me get started. Along with that, I work with a person called Julia. She does all my code reviews. Although she's really strict, she's made my code really good and I've formed some good habits.